Hey guys, Kaler here with Elite Trading, talking to you about the craziness going on in the market right now. We are getting live updates across the desk. We're talking about Robinhood. We're talking about the information that's coming across my desk right now, and I want you guys to hear it from me. I don't care about the green screen being perfect. I just want you guys to understand what's happening and why you need to understand that there are greater forces at hand here and that you're seeing something unfold that no one's seen before. And I want to get you that stuff right now and talk about what's going on. There's changes due to the ongoing volatility in the market, said Robinhood. They sent this message out. It says opening new positions in the securities listed in the table below are currently allowed but limited. For more context above, the decision limited these securities. Let's talk about the securities and what they are. Let's see, what names have you been hearing about on your Facebook feed, on your internet feed, your Twitter, your TikTok? You're seeing all this stuff. If you're into stocks and you're watching this stuff, you understand these are the stocks that we're all talking about for months now, that we've already been talking about. We've already bought in, got out, made money, got out, lost money, regardless of what happened. Remember, these are our opinions. We are not telling you what to trade or what to invest in. We're telling you what's going on and what's happening right now in front of your eyes. A freaking craziness. So we're going over it right now. GME, KOSS, AMC, EXPR, NAKD, GNUS, BB, and NOK. They're all being stopped. They're stopping you again from being able to make money on something that's going to happen. In my opinion, I think you're going to see that most people are going to sell. They're going to get scared. They're going to be like, oh, you know what? I want to get out. And then they see the stock double, triple, and they go, well, they said I couldn't buy any, but I'm allowed to sell some. So that means if people can't buy, therefore the stock's going to go down. That's what I understand, that if people can't buy a stock, it's going to go down. Well, let's keep listening. Let's understand what they're telling us. What if my existing position already exceeds the limit? If you already hold a greater number of the shares or contracts than the limits listed above, your positions will not be sold or closed. You can still hold them. However, you will not be able to open more positions of each of these securities unless you sell enough of your holdings such that you are below the respective limit. So they're limiting what you can buy on Robinhood. Can I buy fractional shares of these securities? No, fractional shares are currently positions closing only for all the securities listed in the table above. So ones that we listed above, these are the ones that you can only close positions. You cannot buy more on Robinhood. So that means you can sell or close the fractional positions that you own, but you can't continue to have those reoccurring investments that we spoke about in a previous video. If have you seen that video, go back, check it out about reoccurring investments. Now you'll see why they're stopping you, because they don't want you to get yourself in a good position in a stock that might blow up. They don't want to sell you these shares anymore. They don't want to short sell you anymore. So these are all my opinions. Keep in mind, this is not investment advice, but however, you can still open new whole share positions according to the limits listed above. If you sell what you currently own, you can buy more at a profit, sell, blah, 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 blah. So are your reoccurring investments included in the limits? Any reoccurring investment in securities listed in the table will be skipped until these restrictions are lifted. All investments involve risk, so they put their disclaimer in there, blah, 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 blah. They talk about why this is happening, and we all know what's happening. And if you don't know, you need to watch, you need to get in, you need to get involved, because you're the person, the sheep sitting there that's not listening, and then you got the retailer that was like, man, this guy that didn't know what he's talking about in their opinion before might know what the hell they're talking about. And there's a lot of people speaking about their opinions on the web. They're talking about it on Instagram. They're telling you on TikTok. They're talking about different things you can buy. They're talking about different things that you should be weary of, or there could be a catalyst involved. They're giving you good information, and they're not giving you bullshit information. They're giving you stuff that you really need to listen to. So the people that are out there talking about this stuff that you're blowing off and you're listening to mainstream media, watch out, because there's going to be a new player in the game, and the new players are coming out right now. They've been in front of you and you haven't been watching, but they're happening, and you're watching what's happening to the market. And if you're listening to this stuff and you're involved and you're making money or losing money and you're actually a part of it, it doesn't matter whether you're on the winning side or losing side. You're a part of something that's crazy. It's bigger than us. It's bigger than you and me. And keep watching, because you're going to see it unfold for the next year, and it's going to be insane. You're going to see money reversals. You're going to see wealth reversal. You're going to see a lot of news stories about things that you've never heard about. You have information you've never been taught before. It's all going to be free. It's going to be given to you, and you're going to be like, wow, this is stuff that people had to pay and go to school for and be a part of an elite group, elite trading. Get involved, join our group, free chat all day long, and learn about stock trading, learn about what we're talking about, see the what we're watching page, see the alerts that we're watching, and what's Wall Street Bets talking about, what's Benzinga talking about, what's the people that actually give a shit, what are they talking about? And that's the people that we're going to follow. That's the people that we're going to listen to. And if you want to grow with us, stay in the green and be excited about something, then join the revolution, join the rage against the machine, and it's happening right now. So stay blessed. I appreciate you guys watching, and if you give a shit, hit that like button. If not,